haven't made a YouTube channel in a while, but I wanted to tell you I made Legos. Real Legos. I'm not really a Lego person, but these Legos I am into. I made a car. Guys, this person right here did not come with this set. It came with this set. Yep, I built a house. This is what it looks inside. I did have to take one of the parts from it, but it seems like it was nothing. I couldn't find that part yet. I do have a couch. I have a TV. My house is a disaster. TV. I really like the TV. What?
Are you hungry?
No. We have to wait until Grandma comes.
I know.
And that's in like a few minutes. It's almost 2.
I know.
Sorry about that, guys.
So put your shoes on.
But we have to wait until Grandma.
Honey, start putting your shoes on.
Okay. TV. Right on here. Now everybody can watch TV where they go. Okay. Okay, I'm getting my shoes on. Where are the shoes that I wear? Okay. I'm getting them on. If you guys want to see them, they're high heels. I'm wearing high heels. Of course I have to. My map of home is right here. I think it looks pretty bad. Because this part, only 3 parts of my house, and it looks bad. Okay. My blue folder, I've been getting lots of grades. It's saying how long I should do it, but not listening to it. Well, I'm going to Golden Corral. Want to videotape there too. This is going to be a long video. Well, I hope, but if it goes off, so please click thumbs up and subscribe, because this thing turns off. Even though I don't want it to. It turns off. Right here. Guys, see that red light flashing? Click right